First of all, thank you to everyone who made a point in their busy schedules to come to Labelexpo Americas last week. It was great to see the label community back together again, all under one roof. Whether you spoke to Colordyne about our high-speed inkjet color benchtops or our process color inkjet retrofit technologies, the Colordyne team looks forward to continuing the conversations from the show and learning more about your applications. Our approach is different. Colordyne works directly to identify the applications and processes in your business that can benefit from the productivity and profitability of inkjet. We're not selling you on the opportunity for new digital business or that one of our systems can replace 2 or 3 of your analog presses. It's simple. You've made investments into the people and equipment in your press room over the last decades, and we want to illustrate how to build upon those investments by retrofitting high-speed process color inkjet to your existing equipment. Make sure you don't miss out on the opportunity to see us at TLMI in Arizona or at Printing United in Las Vegas or PAC Expo this fall in Chicago. Colordyne looks forward to speaking with all of you about the opportunities for inkjet in your applications.